911, what's the location emergency?
Yes, pretty sure I just got robbed, today. Some of my guns are missing and everything.
Okay. And, what is your address?
It's Pratt Court, Plano, Illinois.
Okay. And, do you have, like, signs of forced entry in your home?
Yeah, I just noticed it right now.
All right. How many of them are missing?
That I don't know yet because I didn't take inventory, but I know a shotgun is missing.
Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead and have our officer...
Hey! Hurry!
Hello? Hello? 911, what is the address to your emergency?
Pratt Court. Somebody next door to me sound like a gunshot. Please come.
Okay, so shots fired?
That's what it sounded like.
Okay.
But his window was just busted, like somebody shot through his window, and I just heard him. It was a please hurry.
I know, we've got help coming, okay? 601 and 611 assignment.
611.
It's going to be a possible home invasion. Pratt. Caller said there were signs of forced entry, and there were 32s missing from the closet. Our call taker did hear what sounded like one shot. We're also getting another caller in the area.
10-4.
P3 units, Plano is going to be responding to a home invasion with shots fired in the area of Pratt. P3 units, be advised, Plano is responding. Home invasion with shots fired in Pratt Court.
The 601 garage door just opened. Vehicle started in the garage. Hey, please stop! 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 Got a 28 Edward Bravo, Edward Boy 20606, 20606. Stop!
Income 721, we got a male down, gunshot wound. Roll medics to the house, please.
Male down, gunshot wound, rolling medics to the residence.
We're still eastbound 34. We're approaching Bristol Ridge Road. Speeds are going to be 55 miles per hour. Subjects possibly armed and dangerous due to the home invasion. Unknown occupants.
Shots fired! Shots fired!